this afternoon. Exactly. And Auntie already told me she had made a dish and you had to come sample it. Uh. That's a doggone shame. A doggone shame. Well, I know you rushing trying to get ready for work for church, so I was just calling to catch you real quick, like. All right, then. Well, call me back. All right. Love you too. Bye bye.